Look at how bad the nature of our road is. Look at the road. Just look. This is the kind of road built for Ghanaians by politicians. And you can imagine. I don't know, I can't think far. Look, over 60 years, when certain roads like Telmamoto Way is built, up to date, we are still using it. But this very road that you are seeing being affected, the whole road is as if it is a manhole or it is a whatever hole, or it is not even a potholes, more than a manhole. You ask yourself, these are the road constructed recently. It's not even up to 3 years. But look at the nature of the road. Is it that the contractors who are not doing the right work or the right job, they just do a shoddy work? Or is it that the materials that they use are not good? What actually is the cause? In other countries, is this how it is done? No. Even the road constructed over 60 years, or roughly barely getting to 60 years, which is still in use, in good shape, up to date, and comparing it to what was just constructed recently, 3 years, no, it doesn't sound well. Even the contractors, what is keeping them, what is preventing them from doing a quality job? Why can't they do a quality job once and for all? The kind of money they charge per contract, is it an easy task? No. This is all insults. Are these people really thinking about Ghana? Why won't they place Ghana first? Which country that they will pay a contractor to do a work or to construct a road, and they will leave it in a bad shape this way? They will just take huge sums of money and then do shoddy works. Where? In which country? No, it is only in Ghana that we see this kind of things, which is not helping the country. It's too bad. Too bad.